So hello, I have already sanitized my hands and I'm going to clean your face with this cleanser. This is not going to dry up your face. This is a cream based cleanser, so it is going to clean all your makeup and dirt and also going to hydrate your skin. Then I'm going to take this toner, and this toner is going to minimize your pores. And I'm going to take this moisturizer and I'm going to moisturize your skin, and your skin is normal. So I'm just taking this moisturizer is going to hydrate your skin, and also it feels very light. Also it has SPF, so it is going to give you some sun protection as well. Then I'm going to take this primer. This primer is going to minimize your pores and make your fine lines also blurred, and this also makes your makeup last long. You have to apply it on the areas where you get the most oil. I'm going to use this eyebrow pencil. This has a spoolie in it. It is going to define your eyebrows really nice. It also stays for long and makes your eyebrows look very natural and nice. Now I'm using this Magical Double Duty eyeliner. This can be used as a liner and eyeshadow as well. This is 100% cruelty free, 10 hours. It stays up to 10 hours, and it is non-transfer, dermatologically tested and ophthalmologically tested. So by no chance it is going to harm your eyes or your skin. So if you have to apply it like this, just like a normal eyeliner. And then to blend it, we get this synthetic brush with this. So we have to blend it in upward direction. If you want something more dramatic, you can take some more product and apply it on your lid and then blend. Now I'm taking this foundation. This foundation is illuminating and HD and also full coverage. Retails for $12.50, and currently we are running some discount on this, so you'll be getting 10% off, and also we're going to be making your membership, so you will be getting some discount every time you shop with us. So this is also going to hide your pigmentation, uneven skin tone, and also going to give your skin a very nice and natural glow. You just need 2 pumps of it, and it is going to cover whole of your face. Now I'm going to blend this foundation. And it is also water resistant, so by any chance you start sweating, this is not going to bleed. Now I'm going to set your makeup with this powder. This is banana powder, so by any chance you get any gray undertones with foundation, it's going to cover all of them. Open. We're going to pat it all over her face. And remove all the excess with the brush. Open. Now we are using this primer. This is going to fill the cracks on your lips, hydrate your lips. And all of these products have antioxidants, so nothing is going to get oxidized and change its color. Primer also makes your lipstick long lasting. Now we have this lip pencil, also available with the sharpener. Also, these lip liners can be used as lip fillers as well. Stretch. Then we're gonna take this mascara. This is a serum based mascara which also helps your lashes grow and also makes them look fuller and long. So these are the lashes we have. These are cruelty free, and also they feel very light on your eyes, and also they're great for your eye shape, and also looks very natural. So here is the final result. Do you like this? Do you like this?
Yes, I do like this a lot, and it's very pretty. It's looking more of a natural side, and it's really nice. I appreciate it. Thank you.
So what am I supposed to pack for you?
I would like to have these two lip shades which you have applied, and the one which you have applied on eyes as well. I just loved it, and I think I can use it very oftenly as my profession requires a little bit of makeup, and these two are looking really subtle on me. So I really appreciate your efforts as well. It's really nice.
Thank you. Bye.